So you might be trying to figure out how you can make ChatGPT faster. Now, doing this is actually very basic, and there's just a couple of different ways to do it. Now, the first main way to do it that's pretty easy is to turn it into instant mode. So pretty much turn off any of the thinking mode or thinking options, this or that. You want to make sure that your options are actually instant. So at the very bottom where your search bar is, wherever it says think, what you want to do is you want to remove anything that says think or long, like thinking or anything like that. So you want to go through and you want to remove those things. So right over here where it says think, you want to go through and click on that X right there. And you want to make sure you remove those. That is going to make it so the options like the text, the messages that you send through are going to be instant. And that is going to be the easiest thing I'd recommend doing. Now, what you can also do is if you have a very long chat history, so if you have any threads or messages that are like insane amounts of messages that you've sent back and forth, sometimes you might have to go through and just create a new chat. So you might want to go through and just basically ask ChatGPT to synopsize this message or this chain, so you can go through and copy and paste it in a different chain. And what I typically do is I just copy and paste that whole thing it sends me into a new chat. So I go here and I create a new chat, and then I just paste that in, and that makes my speed so much faster. So that is another way to do it. You can also go through and actually upgrade your plan. So you can see that little upgrade button up here. You can actually tap on upgrade. You can try upgrading your actual plan, and that's another thing I'd recommend doing here too. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.